The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, launched in 2025, stands out as one of the most compelling smartwatches on the market. But is it worth your investment, or should you consider alternatives? Let's dive into its features, strengths, and weaknesses from an expert perspective. The Galaxy Watch 8 introduces Samsung's Squircle design, blending a square and circular aesthetic, moving away from the traditional round look. Available in 40mm and 44mm sizes, it's 11% thinner and weighs just 30 grams, making it ideal for sports and all-day wear. The dynamic lug system ensures better sensor contact with the wrist, enhancing measurement accuracy. However, this new design might not appeal to everyone, especially those who prefer the classic round style. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, at 46mm with a rotating bezel, offers a more premium feel but is heavier at 63.5 grams, which could feel bulky for some. Powered by Wear OS 6 with One UI 8, the Watch 8 is the first smartwatch to integrate Google's Gemini AI assistant, enabling seamless voice commands for tasks like setting reminders or handling complex queries. The 3nm Exynos W1000 processor, paired with 2GB RAM and 32GB storage, delivers smooth performance. However, some advanced features, like gesture controls and snoring detection, are exclusive to Samsung phones. It's compatible with Android 12.0 and above but lacks iOS support, limiting its versatility. Samsung doubles down on health tracking with the bioactive sensor, offering accurate measurements for heart rate, ECG, blood pressure, sleep apnea, and a new antioxidant index. The AI-powered running coach creates personalized running plans based on a 12-minute fitness test, while sleep coaching provides circadian rhythm-based insights. That said, some features feel like they're still in beta, lacking the polish of competitors like Fitbit or Apple Watch. Battery life is the Watch 8's Achilles heel. The 40mm model has a 325 mAh battery, while the 44mm version offers 435 mAh, barely lasting a day with always-on display. The Classic's 445 mAh battery extends to about 40 hours, but rivals like the Pixel Watch 3 outperform it. Additionally, the need to use 3 separate apps can make the user experience feel fragmented. Starting at $349.99 and going up to $550, the Watch 8 is $50 pricier than the Watch 7. The new design and AI features justify the cost for some, but Watch 7 owners may not find enough reason to upgrade. For Galaxy Watch 4 or 5 users, it's a significant leap. If you're deep in Samsung's ecosystem, the Watch 8's sleek design, robust health tracking, and AI capabilities make it a strong buy. However, its short battery life and Samsung-exclusive features may push those prioritizing longevity or cross-platform compatibility toward alternatives like Garmin or Apple Watch. The Galaxy Watch 8 is a top-tier Android smartwatch, particularly for Samsung users, but its battery life and ecosystem limitations hold it back from perfection. If these aren't deal breakers, it's a solid investment.